10th standard, so biology. So the fertilization and the fourth development. Fertilization and the embryo development. So the normally the human fertilizations are internal fertilization. So it means a fusion of male and female gametes so occur inside the female reproductive tract. It is called an internal fertilization. So the fertilization normally takes place in the ambula of the oviduct or ambula of the fallopian ambula of the fallopian tube. So normally the fertilizations occur in the ambula of the fallopian tube. So the oocytes or they have any egg cells alive for about the 24 hours after the release. So the egg cell are in the ova, so they occur the living condition only for 24 hours after the ovulation. It means after the releasing for the follicle. The fertilization takes place within the 24 hours. So within the 24 hours the fertilization takes place. The sperm entered the ovum, fused with it. So they are having a sperm cells, you fused with the egg cell or the ova cell, they produce in a zygote. Here the sperm is a haploid cell. Haploid means they are having a single set of chromosomes. So the egg is also they are having a haploid set of chromosomes. So the fertilization sector they produce in a two sets of chromosome. It's called in a diploid condition. The process. What is the process? The sperm is fused with the egg cell. So they produce in a zygote. So this process is called in a fertilization. The zygote is a fertilized ovum. The zygote is fertilized ovum. So this is called a fertilization. So normally the fertilizations are internal fertilization. When the fusion of male and female gametes they occur in the female genital tract. So the fertilization takes place in the ambula of fallopian tube. So the egg or ova. So the occur only living condition is only the 24 hours after the ovulation. The sperm cell is fused with the egg cell. They produce a diploid zygote. The sperm cell is a haploid, a single set of chromosomes. Egg is also they have a haploid, a single set of chromosomes fused together, two sets of chromosomes. It is called a diploid in nature. The zygote is the fertilized egg. Then after the fertilization, the zygote is a single cell. So the single cell is converted into, so they are having a cleavage. So the cleavage, the first cleavage takes place about 20 hours after the fertilization. So 30 hours after the fertilization. So the cleavage means the division. So the first divisions occur in the zygote after 30 hours, the fertilization. The cleavage of series of rapid mitotic cell division. So mitotic cell division. So it means the same set of chromosomes are occurred. So the cleavage is series of rapid mitotic cell division. The zygote is a divide. They produce a many cell. So they form a spherical shaped structure. The structure is called a blastula. The structure, a blastula, is also called a blastocyst. So the single cell zygote is divided mitotically. They produce many cells. They form a spherical shaped structure is called a blastula. So the process is called a blastulation or otherwise called cleavage, which is comprised outer layer of smaller cell or inner layer is called a larger cells. Here they have in a two layer. So the outer layer they have in a small cells. So they have in an inner layer. They contain the larger cells. So this structure is called in a blastula. This structure is called in a blastula. So the mitotic cell divisions occur in the zygote. They produce a many cell. They form into a spherical shaped structure is called a blastula. Each cell is called a blastocyst or blastomere. So the outer they have in a smaller cell, inner cell they have in a larger cells are present. So the formation of blastula. Divide and they have in a formation of blastula. So next is called the implantation. Next process is called the implantation. So what is the meaning of implantation? The blastocyst. Sir, so there are a blastocyst, or it means they have a fertilized ovo. So the reaches in the uterus. So the nearly they have a 8-cell stage. The zygote is a divide, the two cells, then again divide, they have in a 4-cell, third division they produce an 8-cell. So during the 8-cell stage, so they reach into the uterus. The process of attachment, of the blastocyst into the endometrium of uterus or endometrium of the having a uterine wall. So this process is called an implantation process. So the fertilized embryo divide mitotically, they produce an 8-cell stage. They reach in the uterus. So they fix in the uterine wall. So this process is called an implantation process. So the fertilized eggs become implanted. So about 6 to 7 days after the fertilization. After the fertilization, so the implantation process occurs. So they have in a 3 to 6 days after the fertilization. Then they develop into gastrulation. So the process is called gastrulation. So the gastrulation means a single layer blastula is converted into gastrula. A single layer blastula is converted into a 3-layer gastrula. So this process is called gastrulation. They developed into primary 3 layers called primary germ layer. Primary germ layer. It is called ectoderm, mesoderm. Third is called endoderm. So the 3 germ layers are primary germ layers are arranged. Rearrangement of the cell is called gastrulation. So the rearrangement of the cell is called gastrulation that takes place after the process of implantation. After the implantation, the gastrulation process takes place. The development of the 3 germ layer. From the 3 germ layer, the organs are developed. Different organs are developed, so the process is called organogenesis. Thank you very much, students.